Hey guys, it's me, Skylar Capri, and today I'm going to be doing a Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink review. I know that these are a very popular liquid lipstick at the drugstore and that they are coming out with some more nude shades, so I thought I would do a video and review on it because I received this for Christmas and I tried it out and I wanted to do a kind of updated review on it. Sorry, I just kind of readjusted the way I was sitting. But L'Oreal just came out with a whole bunch of like lipsticks, and I want to try them. I believe they were $13, and they were a collaboration with a huge fashion brand. Not really sure how to pronounce the name, so I'm not going to say it in this video because I don't want to accidentally butcher the name and then you guys look for something that doesn't exist. So I'm not going to mention it in this video, but I'm going to try and get my hands on those as soon as possible. I know that they just did launch, and I am going to be doing a review on those when I can get my hands on them because the colors look super interesting and the packaging is absolutely stunning. If you haven't seen the packaging yet, I know certain beauty gurus receive them in PR. I know Emily Noel did, which I mentioned in my last video, which I just filmed a Jolene fixed back review, so if you would like to check that out, feel free. It will be in the cards right here. But yeah, so today I'm going to be showing you and doing a review on the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink, and let's just get started. So this is the one I have. It is in the shade number 35 Creator. It is a really vibrant purple shade. So a little bit about the product. It does claim to be matte. And it does claim to be long wearing. According to the packaging, it lasts for 24 months, or that's how long it's good for. And you get 5 milliliters or 0.17 fluid ounces in here. So you get a pretty decent amount of product. Just a little bit about the wand. So it looks like this. You're just going to pull the wand out. Looks like that. And it is just a normal doe foot applicator. However, if you can see there, there's a little dip where more product is stored, and the top of it is more of a point, so you can get a more defined lip look instead of the flatter ones. I know this one, compared to the NYX liquid like lingerie line, they have a quite different applicator, even though they're both doe foot. But I think this is a more precise applicator, and it allows for a better application. So now I'm going to apply it. I'm just going to be using this little Too Faced, this little cute little white chocolate chip palette for a mirror. But I'm going to be applying this right now. I'm going to do one swipe just to show you the color real quick. That is one swipe. So you can see it's definitely not over all my lips, but up close it is pretty bright and pigmented. So alright, so here is one coat. I have not re-dipped my the wand yet, so this is one coat of it. It has not dried down yet, but it dries down pretty quick, and it does leave your lips feeling hydrated. I know a big kind of no-no for me is when liquid lipsticks are so dry that they turn your lips into the Sahara Desert, and then you're constantly and frantically applying lip balm the next day to try and get your lips back to feeling moisturized. But it looks like this. I'm going to kind of give you a view real quick. Now this is a bolder shade, but they are coming out with nude shades. I think they came out with them either a while ago or they're coming out with them soon. I saw a video mentioning them, but they do have vampy shades, really vibrant shades, soft like pink shades, and I do think that they have a nice variety of colors, and it is a bit different. I did do a video on the CoverGirl Melting Pout, and I said I was going to compare it to this, but I think that their kind of way of doing this is matte, that's gel. the colors are different, the formula and the applicators are different. I think they're just too different to compare because the CoverGirl one says what it's going to do and the Maybelline one says what it's going to do. So I feel like comparing them isn't really going to make for a good video because they're not supposed to be used for the same purpose, if that makes sense. But this product will stay on your lips forever. No, I'm kidding. But it stays on for a very long time. If you are experimenting with makeup and you want to try this lip look out, make sure to put a lip balm or chapstick underneath so that you can easily remove it. It's pretty hard to remove even with a makeup remover. I know really powerful makeup removers would probably do a decent job of getting this off, but this stays on for a long time. If you're worried about your lipstick coming off and having to constantly reapply it, this is definitely not going to be one of those that does that. This is going to stay on basically forever. It's going to stay on through the night. And if we can just take a focus on the packaging real quick, I think it's super sleek. It's just kind of a color block packaging with the cap and the tube. And the tube color is pretty clear to the lip color. I know that's a big problem for a lot of people when the tube color is not even remotely close, but it is pretty identical. I think they nailed this color. I feel like purple lipstick and just certain matte liquid lipsticks in general that are brighter shades are kind of hard to perfect that formula. They go on quite streaky and it's kind of hard to get an even coat, but I think that they absolutely nailed this. There's the right way. I think they nailed this and I love this shade. I think it's super fun and I think this would look good with most hair colors and skin tones. I feel like if you have a dark skin tone, I feel like this lipstick would be absolutely stunning on you. And I feel that this lipstick could be worn summer, spring, fall, winter. It kind of goes with every season, so it is a very kind of useful, fun lipstick. Again, if you're going for a more everyday look, this is definitely not kind of an everyday natural look, but if you want a nice, bold, affordable drugstore lipstick, this is awesome. This retails for $7.99, and you can get them at Ulta, Walgreens, like the grocery stores, like the makeup aisles, and the, at Ulta right now, I think it's still going on. I'm not sure, their sales kind of changed, but normally they have all drugstore brands, buy one get one 50% off. And so if you want to pick up 2 of these or try this and another lipstick, they're buy one get one 50% off. So why not? And also Ulta normally comes out with $3.50 off of 15 coupons, so you can save. So if you guys are interested in trying these out, I definitely recommend these. I think this is a great formula, and I believe that this looks and feels very nice and very comparable to high-end. I can easily compare this to my Stila. I feel like their wear time is nearly identical, and I think that this is a great drugstore option if you're looking for a more adventurous shade and you don't want it to go streaky. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and this review. Up next, I might have either a book-related video. I just did a Jolene video, so I don't know if I'll have another swim one up. But I have already finished another book, so I hope you guys have liked my book updates. I know my Vera Bradley outlet haul was very popular. If you guys want to see more hauls, I can surely do an American Eagle haul. I have a lot of stuff from American Eagle from over the holidays and just in general. They have had a great sale. They have like had 60% off, so I kind of stocked up on the essentials. So if you guys would like to see a video on that or just like more hauls in general, because I normally don't go for that on my channel, leave a comment down below telling me so. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did and subscribe to my channel. We are up to 212, which is awesome, and I hope you guys have had a great start to your new year, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.